Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to pay with Klarna on Amazon. So here is a simple steps and guide for you to be able to pay with Klarna on Amazon. So the first thing to do is your first step is to open the Klarna app on your phone. Then in the search bar, type Amazon and select it. So Klarna will open Amazon inside the app. Then add items you want to add to your cart, which is your Amazon cart. Then at the checkpoint, use the Klarna as your payment method. Then select payment plan, which is pay in full, pay later, or financing. So Klarna will generate a one-time card for the purchase, and use this one-time Klarna card as the payment option on Amazon. So complete the checkout and confirm your order, and you successfully pay for your Amazon order using Klarna. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks.